Alright guys, it's William Jamie here, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, don't just close this channel. This channel is amazing. If you look at it, this channel is all about programming, about game development, about app development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence, AR, VR, all the fun stuff. So this channel update every day. I try my best to update, of course. Currently I have a small favor to ask you guys. Because right now I got unemployed, and this channel may be the only source of revenue that I will get, and really need that money in order to set up a studio rather than be trapped in this really small bedroom in order to record you guys tutorials. So yeah, the best way to support me and keep this channel going is to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. So yeah, I think I'm going to rest a little bit. So in this video, I'm going to do something really interesting, really exciting, and thanks to resting. So what could be a better way to rest than have a cup of tea? So yeah, we're going to use Apple's default USDZ model, and we got a cup here, and I'm going to download that, and I'm going to use it to make myself a virtual cup of tea. Okay, so it should be fun. So let's get started. So first, of course, I'm going to use Xcode to make myself a new project, and this is my another project. So yeah, let's just create a new. So create new projects, and that will be a virtual cup of tea project. So virtual cup of tea. All right, so AR cup of tea, maybe AR cup of tea. Right, so reality kit, yeah, next, and then we can add in a passing, we got this like the AR tutorial. Let's just the AR app and create a new folder called AR cup of tea project, and then create, and here we are. So yeah, let's create it. So yeah, so same old stuff. You need to delete a lot of things and create everything of our own. And of course, because I already download the AR model from Apple's gallery, so what I'm going to do is to get that. So where is it? Yeah, I originally downloaded two models. One is guitar. The other is cap, so I'm going to just click and drag and get the cap inside, and yeah, let's just get rid of this. Create a group, so reference copy if needed, doesn't really matter. So just click and drag, and then it is in our project. Okay, I think I dragged that to a wrong place, which is here. So what I'm going to do is to drag it outside, maybe here. Just okay, so the cap will be here. So this will be a typical model, and this looks amazing, right? So we already learned how to place the object by using, say, tap gesture and place at the coordinates. We don't want to do that. I'm going to make myself say a special places for this for this cup to be placed on. So what I'm trying to do is to add a saucer that can be saucer. So we got a cup, we got a saucer here. So I'm trying to get a digital saucer that's like a blanket that can just go underneath this saucer. And so I can lift it all up, because all that the cup and saucer is an AR object that we can't actually interact with it unless we use some gestures. So what I'm trying to do is to make a movable anchor. Okay, so basically I'm going to make an anchor that stick on a movable object rather than this say the ground or the wall. We don't want a fixed anchor, but rather I'm going to make anchor on a movable object, and then they can go with it. Okay, so this I can pick up this cup and actually drink from it. So so I got a background. This is I draw this on my Procreate. So I'm going to use this, and hopefully it can work. So what I'm going to do is to get our I got on my desktop within Jam wjam.jpg, and I'm going to use this as an anchor point. Okay, so how to do that? Pretty simple. Well, we need to go to the XC assets, and I'm going to add a really specific asset, which will be our AR and textures. Okay, we can add AR resources group, and let's just leave the name like this. And of course, we can drag and drop AR reference image or object files. So basically, I'm going to reference this image as a movable plane, and then add an anchor on it. So let's must have zone 0 positive width. Okay, so the width is not good enough. So sorry, it's not this. This one. So the width is not good. So we got width and height. Okay, so let's inches, meters, centimeters. Centimeters. Let's get a fairly small centimeters. So maybe just maybe 10 centimeters, and yeah, they will just automatically generate height according to the ratio. I'm not sure this will work, but let's just be using 100, so I can change it later, right? And then let's go back to we got the content view here, and the content view we get a AR view. Yeah, remember previously we used coordinator to get all sort of stuff done. So let me just using your coordinator to do that as well. So what I'm going to do is create a coordinator to do all the heavy lifting. Coordinator. Right, coordinator.swift, and basically we just give me a bunch of file, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code and Copilot to help me write the code. So since it's a coordinator, so I'm going to make a class name of coordinator. Coordinator. Strange, coordinator. Right, so the coordinator, of course we're going to have a AR view, so AR view, and that will be a AR view. Yeah, I think I haven't import on the reality kit yet, so if I type AR view, it won't give me any of it. So yeah, sorry, that's the reason. Yeah, Visual Studio haven't trusted, so the Copilot is not working, so it will not module name in import declaration. Yeah, so the AR view will not give changing of the color. That's because we haven't imported it yet. So let's import the reality kit, and so the AR view will change color, and that's good. Last thing I can go back to here to maybe I'm going to use Swift UI. I'm not sure at this point, so let's just import that to be safe. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? They're pretty strange. I can't find it. Yeah, so here. So let's just import a Swift UI to make it safe. And we got let's just controller. Let's just leave it here because I'm not sure what kind of variable I'm going to use. So I'm going to just set up AR view. Yep, I think that's pretty much what I want. Initialization. I think function is much better, so I'm going to go with the func and set up AR view. Good. So set up AR view, and then AR view self, AR view. In fact, I just want to get that reference image and place an anchor on that image, so we don't need this. So yeah, I don't think we need this because we just want to get the setup ready, so don't need to pass this as well. So just when I call this setup AR view, I'm going to place. So first, of course, is place the anchor, and when I find a image as a sort of a wall that I can put my anchor on, and then I can put entity on the anchor. So what I'm going to do is to get an anchor. So anchor entity plane horizontal. This is the original way of generating anchor, right? But you can add more to here rather than just place it on the plane. You can place it on the image. So you can dot image, okay, and then you can say, remember we created AR resources for that. So I think other people may use AR card, but I think I got the this is my other project, so let me just close it. I think I got the William Jamming WJM for that, so I'm gonna say WJM. Okay, so yeah, so we already placed the anchor on that specific image, and the image is inside of group of AR resources. So yeah, and once we got that anchor, we can we can load that. So because in my in case it fail, you have to catch that. So yeah, let's use a constable here, so so I can correctly have a receive value to it. So yeah, controller cancelable and admin cancelable. That will be fine, and I think I need to import combine for that. So Copilot already know what I'm trying to do. Okay, so once I got the cancelable here, I can safely have a cancelable will be, and then I'm going to generate a model entity for that. So load async, right, cup, and yeah, just got my cup entity loaded, and sync receive completion. So when this complete, print completion and receive we Excel model entity. Let me use different one to check whether they got a better option for that. Scale receivable completion. If you got error, receive sync error, print error. Okay, that's pretty good. And if it's successful, I'm going to receive model entity, and let our cup be our model entity. And we're going to scale this cup and add child cup. Yeah, I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so I'm not sure that it will work. Just go with what is suggested, because maybe other people already write this code. So I think it does make sense. So I'm going to do just that. And yeah, so yeah, let's go back to our content view, I think, because we haven't installed all that yet. So at the content view, we need to get the coordinator actually in here. So we got this make UI view. We got AR view. Yeah, we need to add the context to it as well. So let's say the context dot. Can I get a coordinator here? Yeah, coordinator, and I think I got AR view inside of coordinator. So AR view, and that will be our AR view. Okay, and Roy has no member of AR view. Oh. Make function AR view, yeah. Yeah, let's just finish with my coding, and I think I got the oh, I understand. That's this reason I haven't got the coordinator here. So we got the setup AR view. Let's go back here, and we got setup AR view, and let's call that. So yeah, let AR view be our AR view. Alright, I think I haven't made the coordinator yet, so yeah, let's do that. So I think maybe at here we can add a function saying the my coordinator. Yeah, that's better. So there'll be a coordinator. We can leave that, so redundant, and then we can call this coordinator. Yeah. So I think that will solve this complaint. And then the content view, yeah. So yeah, I already got my physical iPhone attached to it. So yeah, I have to look at a certain picture in order to do that. So let's oh yeah, so I need to show a picture in order to do that. So let me transfer a picture. Okay guys, I think I got the reason why I haven't let got let to get this AR view unwrapped, and I haven't add this AR to the scene, and of course I think the AR model yeah, hallucinates a little bit, so it's load async. So I checked the documentation and change it, and of course there is a typo. It should be cup, so I use a cab for that. Sorry about that. I changed that to cup, so it just got yeah, got yeah, got it right. And I changed the scale a little bit. I think maybe 0.05, just to make it smaller. 0.05. Yeah, and yeah, let's check this, and hopefully it can actually work. And let's run that. Alright, moment of truth. This is yeah, this is my pad. I draw this image on my pad. So yeah, so this is my cup, by the way. So this is my real cup. This is my virtual reality cup. So I use Procreate to draw that on this pad, and I just show this image, and once the camera capture this image, it will just automatically generate a virtual reality cup. That's amazing. And saucer, that's amazing. And let's actually move it just to make it even more interesting. Let's actually move it. As you guys can see, it can move, and it got a really nice yeah, the reflection lights to it. So as you guys can see, you can actually see the light. And yeah, let's drink a cup of tea. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And yeah, that's basically how to using a anime image, in fact, as a reference image, and the stick anchor on that certain image, and adding anime US DZ, as long as you got the right size of it. Right now I got a, I think, pretty decent size. This is a real life and real life cup. This is a virtual cup. Stick on my drawing. That's pretty good. Right, I think that's pretty much all of it. And don't forget, it's really important for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and give this video a thumb up if you think my video is helpful. It really encouraged me to make more video about it. And yeah, I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.